Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair these EONO earbuds to your Android phone. So to do this we have to first of all click and hold this button right here. So click and hold it and take a look on this indicator. It appears right here. When it starts blinking red and the blue, we can simply release that button. It's hard to spot actually because it's not like standard the indicator, it's under this silicone case. Next we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone, click to pair new device, and now just wait until they pop on the list, and here we have them. So click on them once and accept the pairing request. Okay, and as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.